You caught me red-handed, but it was also innocent. I can explain. Listen. I was outside and I saw the tree that I thought was dead, my peach tree. I thought it was dead, and then I saw it and it looked like this. And then later on I saw it and it looked like this. And then my daughter had me planting seeds. And it happened. I was bitten. I was bitten by the gardening bug, so here I am. Well, since you know now, you might as well watch me do it. Just don't tell nobody. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so today I'm going to be planting the Thompson Seedless Grape, and it is GMO free, superfood. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. All right, so the directions tell me that while you are preparing your soil in your bucket, you go ahead and soak your roots. Get all the stuff off of it. If I can get this open. Get all the stuff off of the roots, and go ahead and soak those roots. Get all the wrapping off of the plant. Alrighty. So it is wrapped up, I guess, to keep it alive while it's packed in this bag. Okay, so I'm trying to get this out of here without making a big mess, because I am in my room here. Yes, I said my room. All right, can you see it? Okay, I'm unwrapping this. Let me get my dirt up here to catch the excess. Okay, we don't want to have no spills and chills. No, not today. Not today. You already found out about me and my gardening secret. All right. But if you've been following me, you knew. All right. On that note, if you're liking this video so far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How you been doing? Uh-oh. I'm making a mess here, huh? Well, so it is. All right, so it says I'm supposed to soak the roots in water while I'm getting all this other stuff ready. So I'm gonna put this in the water. Oh boy, I'm gonna have a mess to clean up today. All right, so I'm putting it down in the water. I don't know if you can see, but I have a little bucket. I'm soak the roots in water while I finish. Okay. All right, let me clean up this mess and I'll be right back. All right, now that's better. Even when I'm gardening, I got to clean as I go along, okay? All right, so now we got a 5-gallon bucket, and when you are using buckets, you want to make sure it is food grade. So can you see that? There's a number 2 right there. Number 2 is food grade. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, so this is safe to use. All right, so in order to make sure that we have good drainage, I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes in here. Now, I remember the last time I did this, it didn't work out so good. Let's see if it'll work out this time. All right, like I said, I'm gonna drill some holes so that it will have good drainage. Here we go, let's see. It don't wanna give me a hole, come on. There we go. All right, hold on. Oh, wait a minute. All right, let's try that again. Reverse it, get it back out of that. There it is. We learning. All right, a few more. All right, there we got it. I think that's enough. All right, now that we got our holes, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the bucket over, and we're gonna start putting in our ingredients. First thing I'm gonna put in is I have some brown, I have some brown mulch. So it will help it be able to drain a little bit better, okay? I learned this from another gardener. So I'm gonna go ahead, hopefully this won't make a mess. Put the mulch in the bottom. Spread that around a little bit. And around and around. Tell me about your gardening experiences. What's the last thing you grew? Are you interested in growing some grapevines yourself? Well, I hope this is going to be a help to you. And this is indoor-outdoor potting mix that I'm going to add to that next. Well, actually, I need to see. Well, I'm just going to put a little bit in to see so we can put our plant in to make sure that it is going to be deep enough. All right. So we will stop there, and we're going to take our plant out of the water that we're soaking the roots. The direction says do not let your roots soak for more than 2 hours, okay, because it might cause it to rot. So it definitely has not been that. So as you can see those roots there. They've been soaking in the water. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here and see about how much more dirt we need. We want it to be pretty high. So yeah, I'm going to need, because we want it to go, the dirt mark to be about where it was. So that's about right. And let me see, I have to have my handles facing the right way. So I think that'll be about right. And then we just need to go ahead and keep adding the dirt. Hold on one second. So I'm not sure if I have enough dirt, but you get the idea. If I don't have enough dirt, I'm gonna go ahead and get some more and put that in. I'll stop there and try to stand it up. Alrighty. So tell me, where y'all coming from? Where you live? Where you at? Alrighty. That's about right. I think that's how I want it to face. And make sure those roots are spread out. So I'll dig it in a little bit. Spread those roots out. Can you see? Can you see? All right, so I'm gonna need a little more dirt. Then we just gonna water her in. What should we call her? I don't know. How about Venita? Vine. As a vine. Venita? I don't know. What do you think? Give this little baby a name, okay? Tell me what you want to call her. I'm not quite sure. Never thought of it. But let's see how this baby will grow. And I might need a stick for support. I think I need to get one, don't you? I do. All right. Does that look straight? I can't really see it from here. All right, let's put a little bit more dirt. And then we have a little planter, what do you call that? A rolling plate underneath so that when you water it, or if you need to move it, it won't be hard. All right, so I will come back again when I got all the dirt in here and let you see. All right, now, so I got all the dirt in there that I want to get. And I decided that I want to put some mulch on the top here so that I can help the plant to hold the moisture in. Okay, so I'm just going to put that around there on the top.
All right, now you see that? This wasn't hard at all. What do y'all think? All right. Now,
I have a balcony, and I'm going to go ahead and put it out on the balcony there. And we will see how little Miss Venita does, okay? And we are going to give Miss Venita a drink of water. Now I told you I got a little planter trolley so that I can move her, roll her, and it'll be to catch that excess water. So we won't have it all over the place, right? See, here is our planter trolley. And it has wheels on the back. See there? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And it comes from the one and only dollar store. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the planter there. Planter trolley. And I'm going to give her a drink of water. Uh-oh, I don't have no water. Hold on. Be right back. All right, now I'm going to give Miss Vanita a good drink of water, but I'm not going to water her too much in here because I don't want her spilling all over the place, okay? So when I get her outside, I'm going to water her some more. But I'm just showing you that I'm watering Miss Vanita because she thirsty. All right, now. Now, y'all see how you want to start making a big deal just because I want to start gardening again? I told you it was okay. See? And look how pretty Vanita is. She was so happy now. She got a home now. Now, if you like this video, you go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And you come back and see how Vanita doing, okay? Don't make yourself a stranger. Talk to you later. Say goodbye, Vanita. Talk to you later. Bye.